Hey friends, you opened your CPU to clean up or to insert your SSD card, but you cannot close this one. Very difficult to close. Okay, you can't even move it like this. Okay, so how to close and how to fix this CPU on your on this on this video I'm going to show you. So friends, before we close or fix the CPU, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. At first, here you can see there is so many dust and I want to just clean up this dust. Okay, on the down there is sand, so here I just clean up. You too, if you came here to clean up your RAM but you cannot do or you cannot fix your this CPU box. Okay, so how you can fix it, friends? At first you just need to check here. This is the stand. You have to push it under internal side. Okay, internal the box, you have to just push it, then after that this box will close. Okay, because that is the only stand. Okay, now I'll show you how to fix even this one also. You just watch till end. Here, look at this one you have to fix here. Look out, wow, it fixed very nicely. Look at here. If you don't know, then you have to push it. Okay friends, but before you fix it, do not forget to check nicely the buttons so that it will not break. Okay, here I just zoom in so that you can watch very closely how to insert it. So fix. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to close this one also, you can close. I will show you right now how to close this one, but at first I will just clean up this one. So here is my cover of the plate, and here I'm going to fix it in. You just need to push it like this, push it. After that, here it has been fixed. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, friends. And by fixing it, here you have to insert even the nut also. If you don't insert it, then this cover of the box may be just came out. That's why you have to insert the nut. Okay, so here you can insert it with the hand also. It's very easy. And if you want like this interesting videos on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, so thanks for watching.